Hi guys, we're back with another video. Today we're going to be catching fish in the creek. That's what we're working with, little lure. And we're going to cast in here, see if we can get anything.
This is such a sick one.
Got one, baby.
Oh my.
Looks pretty healthy, that's good.
That's unbelievable.
Oh my, he's a jumpy one. But that's a good sign. He looks real healthy. See if I can get a better view of him. He looks real healthy. He looks like a nice bluegill.
Let me see.
Bring him down here. There he goes. Nice first catch. Let's see if I can catch another one. Oh, this is a small. He still got worms too. That's good. Just gonna same thing. See if I can get one. Oh, I see the large one.